Today, I'm gonna show you how to make the traced off trail mix. Okay, so we'll go ahead and start with everybody's favorite, raisins. Raisins are delicious. We're gonna be putting other dried fruits like cranberries, blueberries, cherries. We have walnuts, cashews. There's so many vitamins and nutrients in this mix. If you're a vegan, this is a must-have. Save the planet.
It's good for being on the road.
Oh yeah, you can take it traveling because it doesn't need refrigerator. You can do whatever you want with it. You can eat it straight up out of a jar. I like to mix it with oats and heat it up and make oatmeal or make a cereal. You don't have to use all these either. Sometimes I don't put any other berries except for just raisins. My mom will go in and she just eats Brazil nuts. Nothing else. And you can make it however you want. Some people, like my roommate, will go through and eat all the cashews. So I will get used to a trail mix with no cashews.
Whoa, bro.
And dates, be careful with dates. Some people don't know about the pit, so don't forget to pit your dates. Don't forget, sometimes there's more than one pit in the date. Pine nuts, almonds. Tiger nuts are something I really like. I don't have them a lot, but they are really good to add to this mixture. I definitely recommend trying them before adding them to a mix because they could be a bit tough, but they actually taste like sweet almonds. They're really good. Brazil nuts are really good too. You just have to watch the amount of selenium you're getting. You can eat like one. Then we have pecans. I'm missing sunflower seeds because I forgot about the seed part, but I also got pumpkin seeds. So I'll also be adding some dates. Some nuts that are missing from this would be hazelnuts, macadamia nuts, pistachios, peanut. Berries, dried mango is really good. Dried strawberries are good. Apricots, prunes. Now I'm going to put these raisins in this cup. Hopefully you can see it. Shite. Okay, this isn't working very well. Because it's all the way down there. My knees. Alright, so we're gonna get about a cup of raisins. That looks to be about a cup to me. Alright, and we're gonna do a cup of cranberries. Cup of blueberries. I'm gonna do a cup of cherries as well. Now cherries are pretty strong flavor, so I don't usually do a whole cup of those. Usually about 3/4 cup. But they are delicious, that's for sure. Next, we're gonna do pine nuts. All right. Do a cup of walnuts. All right, I'm gonna fill up this cup with walnuts. We won't have a cup of pumpkin seeds, but we'll have enough. We're gonna do a cup of pecans, aka pecans, cup of almonds, then we're gonna do a cup of whole cashews. There we go. And I'm not gonna add the dates just because there's plenty of dried fruit in here and I don't want it to be overly sweet. A lot of people don't know that dried fruits, the sugar is condensed, so it's pretty sweet. And you don't need any added sugar or anything like that, especially when it comes to dried fruits. So when you're doing the mix, there's gonna be a lot of husk coming off some of the nuts, especially like peanuts. Walnuts also have some, but most of the other nuts I have here are not. What I do is I go outside with my bowl of nuts and I just start, kind of shimming it in this kind of motion, okay? Like that. Yeah, you can see that. Okay, so yeah, I just kind of do that. I blow on it while I'm shaking it, so it's like a, and you'll see it flying around in the air like that. And that should take all that extra huskiness off. So yeah, you got this delicious looking trail mix now.